So tonight we have goat's cheese and red onion grazzoli, whatever that is, but Marks and Spencer's, and then with a arrabbiata sauce with some nice Marks and Spencer's bread. So that's going to be our tea tonight. And then I've got some Colin the Caterpillar wiggly snakes for pudding. Really. That is really nice. Well, good morning. While camping over in Staunton Harold near Ashby de la Zouch. Park for the night location, which I'll put down into the comments for you all to go. Don't know about you guys, but yeah, I had a good night's sleep. Bit of a incident on the CCTV, but to be honest, wasn't disturbed, just a couple of lads doing something but not sure what. But yeah, this is a great park up. Slept really well. Watched after having my Italian tea last night, had watched a bit of Netflix and a bit of Disney, but I was in bed and asleep by 10 o'clock. Like I say, had a get my teeth right. The CCTV woke me up with two lads going through the gate, but then coming back about 15 minutes later, so I'm not sure what they were doing. But nobody else was here until this morning at about 7 o'clock. Cars turned up with take a dog for a walk. So yeah, no, it's been really good. Plan for today: get up, have a cup of tea. Always have a cup of tea to start the day, and then go for a bit of a walk around the reservoir. It's not raining yet, and I'm hoping the weatherman's wrong, because the weather was torrential rain, but I'm hoping he's wrong, and basically go for a walk around the reservoir, and then there's a cafe either at the Abbey, Cork Abbey, or Staunton Harold Garden Centre. So yeah, we'll go and have a look at that. But first of all, cup of tea on. So Staunton Harold Reservoir on a grey day, but as you can see, it's a really nice place to come and have a walk. You can walk all the way around the reservoir, end up in the garden centre, cup of coffee, or walk on to Cork Abbey. So it's not far from Ashby de la Zouche. Again, still trying to get my teeth right. But yeah, it's a nice place. So plenty of seats as well, if you have a look. So when you get tired in the summer, this is absolutely beautiful and a great place for a picnic. A good walk around the reservoir, definitely worth doing. So it looks like there's a cafe and toilets. Sign tell us all about Staunton Harold Reservoir, owned by Severn Trent, and in association with the National Trust. There's the map. So lots of places you can go and walk around, places for picnic, so that's good. And Severn Trent's looking after the water for us. So I'm not sure whether this is where we get our water from, but certainly one of them. So overnight stays aren't allowed. Just asking if you could use the designated campsites if you like to stay the night. So in this car park there is no overnight parking, and there's a Just Park reference. But it's a nice little visitor centre right next to the reservoir. So yeah.